Okay, so I am about to, in the bright sunlight, it's absolutely beautiful out here. I am about to go freeze my butt off because I found a shot that I want. I just happened to drive over the bridge in Rice Lake, and absolutely beautiful. Got the steam just coming off of the water. It's about -6 degrees, so the Red Cedar River is just beautiful right now. The sun seems to be just about right, so I am going to get my hat on, get all prepared, try and stay nice and warm. Check this out. So we're going to come down here to the Red Cedar River, see if I can get a couple of shots. It's just absolutely beautiful down here. It's definitely something else. It's about -6 degrees, like I said. So we're going to walk down here and see if I can find a good shot. Looks like I'm a little crooked. There we go. That's better. So I'm going to walk down here to the Red Cedar River, see if I can get some shots, see how this goes. So follow along. I'll do a roundabout, kind of give you a good look. Down here's the Red Cedar River. Sorry I'm in bad lighting, but I'll give you a shot here. Definitely going to have to take a shot down here. It's an absolutely beautiful trail. See if I can get me in the trail. Just beautiful out here. But it is cold. It is definitely cold. Oh, the view down here is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see it. I'll do a spin around here. I don't know if you can see the steam coming off of that. Just beautiful. Definitely something to get a shot of for sure. All right, down in the area where I want to take some photographs on the Red Cedar River. Got some ice flow coming down here over the bridge. Got a lot of traffic noise, so I apologize for that. But we're going to walk under the bridge and see if we can capture some photos. All right, I'm back. Oh, whew, man, it is cold. It is brutally cold. You don't realize how fast you get cold until you really start to get cold, but it's definitely like -6 out right now. I got my camera in a airtight plastic bag. Coming from the cold into a warmer climate, you're going to form condensation. That's just what happens. So I put it in an airtight plastic bag. I learned that on another channel, that way it forms, the condensation forms on the outside of the bag instead of the camera itself or inside the camera. So I think I got some amazing pictures. There was some just really intense fog, like steam rolling up from the Red Cedar River. A lot of traffic. I'm sitting here in the Goodwill parking lot because that's where I had to park to get down there. But if you like my channel, please hit subscribe. Tell your friends about it. Share it. If you want to know every time I upload a new video, hit that little bell, and then like boom, there it is. All of a sudden, every time I upload a new video, it comes to you, or let you know anyways. But I am going to go warm up, and I appreciate you hanging around with me. At the end here, I will show you some of the pictures that I came up with. I'd like to be able to note the settings for you, but like I said, I'm new to the photography thing. Shooting with a Canon 55 millimeter, it's a the 50 millimeter, it's the Nifty 50, and then I shot quite a bit of photos with my 18 to 55 kit lens that is came with a Canon kit. So hopefully the pictures turn out well. I will post them. So I appreciate you sticking around and watching for the photos. and I will see you on the next video.